What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another software engineering concept in Python. In this video we are focusing on Flask, and we are going to learn what exactly it is and why you should choose it for Python projects. Flask is a lightweight Python web framework, and Flask enables rapid web application development with its minimalist Python-based approach that balances essential tools with simplicity. Its flexibility allows developers to select their preferred components, making Flask ideal for projects ranging from simple APIs to complex enterprise applications. So what are some of the key features that makes it essential and exceptional, and why you should actually choose it for a project? So due to its lightweight microframework design, Flask actually delivers only core components, routing, request handling, and templating without imposing specific tools, resulting in better performance with zero bloat. Another key feature that makes it exceptional is the powerful foundation. Built on the Wexilk and Ninja 2, Flask efficiently processes HTTP requests and generates dynamic HTML with clean template inheritance. It is extensible. Flask offers extensions for databases, forms, authentication, and more, all installable as needed. Flask intuitive API and thorough documentation balance beginner friendliness with professional flexibility, fostering one of Python's largest developer communities. That's it for the key features that makes Flask exceptional. If you don't understand anything, do well to ask us in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.